Welcome to Facebook Dark Mode. I just got the rollout for the desktop version of Facebook that allows us to now go into dark mode. The new revamped Facebook desktop. I'm going to show you what it looks like in this video. Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Monty Weaver, digital strategist, teaching you digital and social media strategies to really help you grow your business, your brand, and your organization. I'm excited to share with you the behind the scenes of what the new Facebook desktop looks like. If you have the new desktop version, let me know in the comments that you have it and how you feel about it. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't like it. Definitely interested to know. Now, if you all remember last year, the spring of 2019, Facebook had their developers conference and they talked about the rollout of the new app for mobile and the new desktop version for PC and Mac. And we finally got the rollouts coming. Now, I've actually seen the rollout pictures a couple of weeks ago, but I just received the new rollout for myself and I'm super excited to actually start to use it. This rollout was expected in Q4 of 2019, so it's a little bit late, but better late than never. So we are going to look at the new desktop version for Facebook. Now, with any of these social media platforms, as a business owner, as a person that manages social media accounts, we always have to evolve with the changes. So there are some things that are different. There are some new fields that you're going to have to get adjusted to. But don't worry, if you can't quite make that adjustment, Facebook does allow you to revert back to the previous version of the platform. So let's take a look at my screen and let's talk about Facebook. But before I do, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Welcome to the new version of Facebook. I'll start with the main things that really caught my attention on this new version. Starting in the upper left-hand corner where we see the brand new Facebook icon right next to the search. So if we want to look for pages or people, we can easily do it in the top left-hand corner. And then below that we have our home, we have our messenger, our marketplace, our events, and the watch tab. And in the collapsible bar, we have the remaining items such as our pages, our groups, our friend lists, and a whole bunch more. So the nice collapsible bar makes it nice and easy for us to not be overwhelmed with so many icons on the left-hand side. And then we also have our shortcuts below that to the bottom left. And the same thing with that, we can do see more, and we can see all of our shortcuts in this menu. Now, the one thing that I do miss from the old version and even the old version is the ability to actually move and place your shortcuts in a particular order. If you're anything like me, you're probably in certain groups more than others, and being able to actually move your shortcuts up to the top of the list as a priority is something that I really wish Facebook would bring back. But that is a suggestion that I will leave with them, and you can easily leave suggestions on the top right hand side now. So give feedback is a place where we can give them feedback on the changes that have been made, and hopefully they can bring back that one change that I would like to see. Across the right hand side in the top right, we can easily access Messenger over here as well. One click button and Messenger will open up. We also have our notifications tab. So anytime a notification pops up, you will easily be able to see it. And then we have our account profile picture. Okay. Now across the top middle, we have our home section, just like we do on the left-hand side. Main menu, followed by the watch tab, followed by the marketplace tab, groups, and gaming. So these are the popular places Facebook is going to encourage you to be. So as a business owner, as a nonprofit leader managing social media accounts, these are the tabs that we're really going to use a lot in 2020. Just below that, we'll see that we have our stories feature. Anyone using stories knows that you have to be consistent on stories. Having real estate in the top 5 is going to be huge for your business if that's an area that you want to focus in on. So make sure you maximize stories in the new version of Facebook. And the post screen is a little bit different as well. It's a cleaner look to it now. We can actually determine where we want to show our post to, either public, private, maybe just specific friends. If you have a custom list like I do, I build custom lists of friends so that particular groups of people will see my posts. I have local business owners, nonprofit leaders, real estate professionals in separate lists, so you can determine where you want to share your post before you actually click that post button. Like normal, you can type whatever you want to and share whatever you want to on Facebook with your friends in your community. And then in the bottom section, we can actually change the colors like we're accustomed to doing. And we can change our fonts by default. So there are a lot of third-party applications that you can purchase to actually have custom fonts on Facebook, but now Facebook has them built in. So now you can actually leverage different fonts, and being first to the platform, you'll definitely have a competitive edge by using different fonts to help your posts stand out and get more attention. And then normally we can post pictures, GIFs, tag friends, and also check into certain places along with your feeling emojis as well. So we'll close that. Now let's take a look at the bottom right section. I want you to take notice of the little icons that pop up in the bottom right now. Right next to your contact list, if you're interacting with someone on Messenger in an active conversation, you'll have a little button down in the bottom right that you can easily continue that conversation and minimize it so that it's not so big on your screen and taking up any real estate that you might want to use there. Now let's talk about dark mode. Do you like dark mode? Are you currently using it on your mobile device? If you love dark mode on mobile, you probably really love it here on desktop. And it's super easy to turn on. And in my case, I turn it off because I'm not a fan of it. So let's check out dark mode and let me know what you guys think. So in the upper right hand corner where your account profile picture is located, simply click on your account profile. Scroll down to dark mode and just toggle the switch on, and there we go. We are in Facebook desktop dark mode. How do you guys like it? Let me know in the comments below. How do you guys like it? It's a little bit different for me. It'll take some getting used to, but you know, it's not too bad. But those of you all that do like dark mode, I'm sure you are a huge fan of it. But like I said at the very beginning, if you decide that you want to go back to the classic version, this version is a little bit of a struggle for you to adjust to initially. You can easily go back to the classic version just below dark mode settings and click on switch to classic Facebook. Now, for my sanity, I'm going to change this back to the regular mode so that I can operate on Facebook. So this major Facebook desktop rollout is continuing to roll out. More and more people are starting to see it, so don't be alarmed if you don't quite have it yet. I've only had this for less than 48 hours, still getting my hands around it, still learning it, playing with Facebook Live, going to the new version. There's some things that look like they need to be fixed, but for the most part, it's seamless and it operates really, really well. And I've noticed it pick up speed too. It looks like it loads a little bit faster as well. I can't confirm that, but that's just how my user experience has been so far. If you got some value from this video, if you want to see more videos like this, definitely let me know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.